Looking to restore your car's showroom shine or tackle stubborn surface imperfections? A quality polishing machine is your secret weapon. Today, we're counting down the top 5 polishing machines that deliver professional results without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the lithium-ion wireless polishing machine that delivers power and versatility in one package. This cordless tool is perfect for car enthusiasts who want professional results at home. The lithium-ion battery provides consistent power throughout your session, eliminating cord hassles. What makes this stand out is its multi-purpose design. Use it for car waxing, polishing, scratch removal, and even bathroom cleaning. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, while variable speed settings give you precise control for different surfaces. The wireless freedom means you can work anywhere without being tethered to outlets. Whether detailing your daily driver or tackling home projects, this machine handles it all. If you want to add this versatile polishing machine to your collection, check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, the professional car and home polishing machine handles automotive and household tasks with ease. This powerhouse tackles car scratch repair and marble floor maintenance efficiently. The variable speed motor adapts to different materials, preventing damage while delivering aggressive correction. Car owners love its ability to remove swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation. The included polishing pads work with compounds and waxes for professional results. It's not just for cars. Use it on marble countertops, granite floors, or stainless steel appliances. The balanced design works well on vertical and horizontal surfaces. The glazed ceiling creates a protective barrier for lasting shine. For versatile automotive and home polishing, check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. At number 3, the Mini Orbital Air Sander is a compact pneumatic powerhouse for detail work and tight spaces. This 2 to 3 inch sander connects to your air compressor for smooth, vibration-free operation. The incredible value includes an 80-piece sandpaper set in various grits. Ready for any project, the orbital action ensures uniform material removal without swirl marks. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts love the precision for spot repairs, edge work, and delicate polishing where larger machines fail. The compact size gives better control in door jams, around trim, and engine compartments. The pneumatic design delivers consistent power without electric motor weight and heat. Whether preparing surfaces for paint, smoothing filler, or polishing intricate areas, this sander excels. To grab this complete kit, check the description and comments for the link. Number 2. At number 2, the TR5002 100W cordless waxing machine perfectly balances power and portability. This 100-watt motor delivers strong torque for polishing and waxing without quick battery drain. The cordless design gives total freedom of movement, and adjustable speeds let you dial in perfect RPM for different products. The multifunctional capability stands out. Use it for applying compounds, polishing glazes, removing scratches, and laying down wax coats that protect paint and create incredible gloss. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions, with balanced weight for steady pressure. The portable grinder attachment adds extra utility for surface preparation. Car owners love achieving professional results at home without expensive detailing services. The rechargeable battery keeps you ready, whether touching up daily drivers or preparing show cars. For professional waxing and polishing in a cordless package, check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Taking the top spot is the 5,000 RPM cordless mini polisher. Power, precision, and versatility combined. This machine delivers 5,000 RPM through 6 calibrated speed gears for unmatched control. The USB charging is a game changer. Charge from your car, laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. The 6-gear transmission starts slow for spreading products and ramps up for aggressive cutting or final finishing. Despite compact size, it handles everything from deep scratch removal to final wax coats. The cordless design eliminates tangled cords, while the powerful motor maintains consistent speed under pressure. Professional detailers love the precision for spot corrections in tight areas. Adjustable speeds prevent product splatter and surface damage with expensive compounds. Whether weekend warrior or professional detailer, this delivers results justifying its top ranking. To elevate your car care with the best cordless polisher, check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.